Get ready to see the most heartwarming video ever. This man is going to rescue 5 dogs from an abandoned place and create a safe and warm environment for them. He's going to build a doghouse that has a fairy tale fish pond, and it's incredibly amazing and fun to watch. We are so excited for little doggos. They're finally going to have a place they get to call home. First things first, he's going to be marking out the territory and adding wood around to create a template of some sort, defining the ground. He's making sure everything is well secured for the little doggos. The home looks so nice, doesn't it? Those animals are so lucky to have him. Next comes the mud, which will protect them from ants and insects. It's turning into such an awesome little house. The mushroom-inspired house is so pretty. Look at how cute this is. We can't wait to see the dogs. A little bit of grass around the house for them to enjoy is never a bad idea. They look so happy, but this is not over yet. He's going to be adding the fish pond and make it so much better. These little babies want to help. How adorable are they? This man is doing such an awesome job. It just keeps getting better and better. Who's excited to see the end result? He's going to be adding the mud and cement mixture and overall creating the beautiful place for the dogs. Such a gorgeous process. We're loving every step of it. The finished result is going to be so worth waiting for. Adding flowers and grass all around the place. It's a beautiful environment. This place and fish pond is now done, and that's all ready for the dogs to enjoy. This man did an awesome job, and we're so happy he did.